karibu kiongozwa na gavana wetu wa Siaya James Orengo. Karibu baba. Baba wetu wa Jamhuri wa Kenya Amolo Nyalego, karibu. Ndio huyu ameshawasili, amekuja kwa fujo na vigelegele. Amekuja kwa fujo na vigelegele Amolo Nyalego. Karibu baba. Karibu. The intelligence security. Ngoma iwekwe, ngoma mara ila kudinga. Wadwanza Miko Evans to thumi wak modonjo go ipolo direct. Malaika osegarwa kase wuogo malaika to wajon everything chamo lunch ma fry. Kawuono nyamo fry okonya mringo. Omiyo sedonjo kendo gima lich ahinya kiwe baba Amolo Nyalego ma kawuono ni liendni orenjo umitha Nyasaye umedi ndalo go mama ubro daka minga. Kuprais mpendwa, ngoma iendelee, ngoma iendelee. Aneno Chiambe, aneno Jacqueline Oduol Jaki, Ajaki Dr. Jaki, Agiro Nyango Commander, aneno Lona, Agire, you are welcome, Agire Comrade, Agire Chairman, you are chairman until you die. Karibu baba mpendwa, karibu Amolo Nyalego, karibu. Rais wetu wa Jamhuri wa Kenya. Jangoma nikure, jangoma bedalat. DJ bedalat. DJ, karibu baba, karibu baba. DJ Ketum, DJ weka music, DJ. Karibu baba wetu mpendwa wa Jamhuri wa Kenya. Baba is mpendwa. Amolo Nyalego kegonea. Karibu, 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 karibu baba. Amolo karibu. Haya, haya. 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 Haya baba karibu. Haya. James Bobole karibu baba. Walamo music, walamo. DJ wacha tunaomba. Baba wetu wa Jamhuri wa Kenya Amolo Nyalego umeshawasili kendo wagon baba erokamano kumbiro iko wakili maduong Nyanza msima wakili Orwenyo Umidha adwan family uneno ka baba donjo gavana gi jotelo te mondi ket chuny wakili kamukwe kwa nyingi Yesu Kristo ruodhwa amen. Rest in peace until we meet again. Yaduonga gero karibu baba wetu karibu. James Bob Karego karibu gavana. Atali Meli Unyamul wacha salamiane na wa mama babu Mos family gin James Bob Orengo the governor aneno kaki sedonjo kager bo sedonjo. Karibu baba wetu. Haya nataka winyi miel aneno nyaka okelo DC miel kama untie Haya. Baba waruaki kendo wadwaro ni joma moso baba koro miyud baba thuolo mondo gamuya wabiro mosore bang'e wadwan the program odhi mbele. Baba wago erokamano kotenwa gi mjumbe makata Meli to gavana ma Siaya aneno uka kendo baba bed gi kwe liel dhi mbele koro wadwa hand over and the rest modong mondo take charge. Engineer ager waruaki gavana ma Siaya Ajimi Kenga Unyamayanga dhim tuolongo goke. You are welcome. And kora timo handing over the chairman ma funeral mondo take charge and God bless baba weche duto te wawe ilweti gimi wacho final and we will follow you blindly whether they like it or not. May God bless.
Thank you very much, Makamu Communication Officer, County Government of Siaya. Right Honorable Prime Minister, we welcome you together with Governor of Siaya. Now, we were at the stage where I was introducing Mrs. Tabu Osewe, who is my sister. That is how I'm connected here with Mzee Orwenjo Umidha, who is a close family friend, and Evans, basically in terms of the profession, I have been like a father to him. We are as a family that has been inseparable, and because of my different roles, I will leave my sister to be the one to speak on behalf of our family, and from there, I will be handing over to Kennedy on behalf of the family. Then Kennedy, once you finish, I will be handing over to Mheshimiwa Samuel Atandi, my friend, together with Obiero Tare. But before I do that, I want to convey one small request which was there before the governor came. But now that the governor is here, I would want to communicate it directly without using any third party. Governor, Senior Counsel, welcome. Correct, yeah. Governor, we had a request before you came. You are our Senior Counsel. The partners of Evans indicated that there were some legal services that the office offered to your offices, and there was a humble request that those bills that are pending, they be expedited and paid so that the children that are left behind here who are very young can be taken care of. That is all. I'm handing over to my sister. Then from there we go to Kennedy Orwenjo, and Mheshimiwa Honorable Atandi, you will take over from there as we proceed on. Thank you very much and welcome, Baba.
Erokamano, ne Baba, ne Governor, ne Jaduong' Orwenjo, and all protocol observed. Okabikao kata dakika ariyo kende. Nitie gimomiyo chairman ma funeral oluonga. Nyinga en Tabu Osewe, lego ka. Okabi wacho relationship marwa gi Jaduong' Orwenjo gi family ne, aparo no wadwa osewacho matin. Gimomiyo achung' ka, I represent family wa moa Nyamira. Dakti ma en widow mar nyathiwa makoro nindo kani. Dakti chunga ne 1 second, sorry. Dakti ni, bika. Mae, kuom jogo manyoko ng'eyo, en nyakewa, mae nyakwara Juma Lolo. Dakti nyinge no, en short mar daktari, ne wachake mgokwa mwahero,